guys, I'm Dee from RSfigures. Today I'll be unboxing a limited edition Batman Pewter Figurine by Royal Selangor. Alright, what do we have here? There's some little booklets for you. This one is about the company, Royal Selangor, you can read it. And this one is about the figurine, Batman. Let's get Batman out. Okay. Wow. Let's see. We have a certificate of authenticity because it's a limited edition. So this one is 744 of 3,000 figurines in the world. So it's really cool. Wow. Really heavy. Let's get this out. Check it out. It's Batman. He's standing on the stone gargoyle, you know, like he always stands on the top of the buildings. Ooh, look at that. What is this? From the front, looks pretty badass. Let's check out the cape. It's a matte finishing. It's really smooth and it looks very realistic. Let's check out Batman's suit. It's very textured and it's really cool. Looks like it's really tight. If you'd like to check this out, please head to the link below. And this is going to be a short unboxing video because this is my first unboxing video. Please comment and tell me what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, so I can do better next time. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos to come. And I'll see you in the next video.